you just say, can you repeat that?
Does the requirement of the premises being true within induction, okay, have the same requirement that it does in induction? I mean, like in deduction and induction, are they one and the same? Because, for example, in deduction, right?
Yes, induction and induction are the same. Right, so inductive claims, they don't guarantee the conclusion. So the requirement here is just supposed to grant. So, the premises?
Yeah, if
the premises have to be certainly true. What do you mean? You would have to give me like a comparison.
Okay, like for example, you know, like truth, like, you know, within validity is just like whether or not the statement is even factually correct, right? So like, likewise, okay, likewise, is it the same case for induction? When you speak about the truth of the premises, is it the premises being factually correct? Okay, what is it for the premises?
It would be invalid, obviously.
What? Yeah, what are you asking? Like, for the truth of the premises, do we need just factual, like, you know, correctness? Is that all we need for induction? Likewise in deduction?
Yeah.
That's it? Yeah.
No.
Okay, so what's the distinction between the truth being invoked about induction?
You would also have to need, you need probability raising.
No, that's not about the truth of the premises. That's literally about the degree of belief, or maybe the probability status of a given hypothesis.
Nope.
But I'm not determining the truth of the premises, or are we trying to determine the threshold?
Doing what? Doing what?
Are we trying to determine, like, how, or
what's
are we
that?
determining the premises we should determine? You don't know what determine is?
No, you said that. I'm trying to tell you what is that depicting here. Truth conditions and all this shit about probability. Can you tell me base mathematical principle to extra?
I don't study excessive probability. I don't study logic. No, I've been very clear about this.
Only logic. Only logic. Okay. I'll ask you a question about logic. Just calm down. So a question about logic would be, what's going to be the BHK thesis? Non-classical.
Okay, I don't do non-classical.
Oh, so you're trying to quiz me, like, trying to, like, you're so, like, tough, I don't know, like, you know, all this shit. I'm a quiz secret. Let me ask you a clear thing. Okay, since we talk about inductive arguments, okay, so doesn't inductive argument, all the premises have to be certain, or can you have probably true premises for an inductive argument? Yes or no?
You can have probably true premises for argument.
Nope. No, for inductive argument. Inductive argument.
Yes, for inductive argument, you can determine, like, for example,
no, you can't.
For example.
Listen. If you try to ground a conclusion based off more probable claims, which the conclusion itself is supposed to be a probable claim, then you ground probability, which is going to lead to an infinite regress of probability, and therefore P f x, which just means P given the evidence of x, is going to be null. It's going to be empty. So no, you have to ground inductive arguments with certain premises. I don't know. Yeah, it would be an infinite regress if you keep doing that. And if you try to ground probability based on probability, because in base, you know, like we have P f x, meaning P by the evidence, which is going to be denoted as x here, right? So x is going to be the evidence, and P is going to be the hypothesis to which the probability assignment is going to be assigned, right? So P f x, if x is going to be a probability evidence, not an actual certain evidence, then you have an infinite regress of x's.
I believe you. I'm talking about the truth tables for an or statement.
An or statement?
Or disjunct.
Oh, okay. The truth table. Okay. So, hold on. Let me see if I can get.
Q is false. Then.
Okay, so P or Q. So this is going to be the decision. Now the truth tables. So the possible combinations is that P. So it's going to be. So how do I make a truth table on text? It would be saying or, right? So only one of them can be true. So it would be false.
And all disjuncts.
Yes.
If P is true and Q is true, is the disjunct false or true?
An exclusive or if P is true and Q is true.
An inclusive or.
Yeah, but inclusive or.
Yeah, if both P and Q are true, okay. Is the disjunct false?
No.
Okay, it's true.
Yeah.
Okay. If both P.
All right. If both P and Q are false, no, the conjunction does not go through.
If both P and Q are true, then inclusive.
Also false. Because when you have a conjunction, right? When you say like or, then one of them can be true, right? So either P is going to be true or Q is going to be true. If you say that both are true, then no, that's not a valid conjunct. I mean disjunct.
But what were you saying about the inclusive one? You got the inclusive one.
Yeah, so like, I don't know how to express it in words, but I know it internally in my mind.
No, I mean, just try. Just attempt to like find the distinction.
This is like so fucking confusing. I don't know how you do this shit. Yeah, I just don't know how to express it.
No, just try, like, inclusive or and
I don't know, like, I can't even make like a proper attempt.
You're probably gonna get it right. Like, if you already knew how to do the truth tables for inclusive and exclusive or, you're gonna be able to do it. Like, make the distinction between the two.
I don't know how to express it in language. I can't even make an attempt. Like, it's just that hard for me. Yeah, but like, if I knew the distinction, like, look, if I knew how to express the distinction in language and I knew the definition of exclusive, I would have just told you the definitions and like that would be it. So like. No,
but no, because like I want you to like be able to explain, like, you know, because you were able to do the truth tables, right? If you were able to do the truth tables and tell me like in an exclusive or, if both P and Q are true, then the disjunct is false. Like, you're definitely gonna be able to explain the definitions to me.
Not really. Bro, well, like, I know it like in my mind, but I can't express it in language. I don't know why.
Just try. Just attempt it.
I just can't, bro.
Just attempt it, bro. Like, whatever you say.
But I can't even attempt.
Yeah, you can literally say it's a banana, apple, and an orange, and I wouldn't care because you gave me the truth tables, which are objectively harder.
Okay, so like, even if I give like a wrong distinction, like, you'll leave me alone on this?
Yeah, like, I'll just like leave the call. Because like, this was the last question. So I got a promise.
Okay, I'll just say inclusive is going to be an internal linguistic framework, like a conjunction relative to an internal linguistic framework.
Yeah.
And exclusive will be in relation to an external linguistic framework. Okay, I'll just say inclusive is going to be an internal linguistic framework, like a conjunction relative to an internal linguistic framework.
Yeah.
And exclusive will be in relation to an external linguistic framework.